In this video, we will show you how to complete an audit using both our web-based application and mobile application. On my screen you can see my mobile phone. Once I log into the Capture application, I can access the OH&S Audit module. When I select the OH&S Audit, all my previous audits are displayed here. To start a new audit, I click Create. Within the system, you can embed videos and images, as well as add instructions directly into the audit form. Next, I enter the area coach name. Let's say the name is Sam. The date automatically defaults to today, but I can change it if needed. I can also adjust the time of the audit and update the mobile number by entering it here. When asked if I'm at the location, selecting Yes automatically captures my GPS coordinates. If I'm not at the location, I can select No and manually enter the address. In this example, the city is Dubai, and I'll select the relevant facility. Please note, this audit form is a demo and is fully customizable to meet your specific audit requirements. Next, I select the restaurant brand, for example KFC, and enter the cost center number. For questions such as, is the health and safety policy available? Each question includes a 3-dot menu. By clicking this menu, I can add comments, take a photo or video, upload media from my gallery, or view additional information. When I select View Information, a detailed description of the question is displayed. For example, is the health and safety policy posted and communicated in the store? If this requirement is non-compliant, I can record that response and add a comment. You can use the speech-to-text feature to add comments and assign actions. Once I click Assign Action, I can select the action category, for example an inspection, and then choose the action owner. Next, I add a description. For example, please visit the site and train the staff. The health and safety policy must be posted clearly on the walls. This is a government requirement, and failure to display and communicate the policy may result in penalties during an inspection. I then set the priority to high and click Save. As I continue with the rest of the audit, I can mark other questions as compliant. The audit also includes a rating system, ranging from 0 to 5. If I'm unsure what each rating means, I can click View Information to see the definitions. For example, 5 represents a spotless condition. Different rating systems can be configured depending on your requirements. The total score is calculated automatically and displayed here. For example, if the fire extinguisher is present and not expired, it receives a score. If no smoking signs are available, that adds another score. The scoring logic is fully customizable, allowing you to decide how many points are awarded for each response. There is also a scanning option, which allows you to scan equipment directly from the app. At any point during the audit, you can raise additional actions, just as I did earlier, and capture photos of non-compliances directly from your device. Once the photo is taken, I can proceed to the signature section, where both managers can sign. I then save the form. When the form is saved, the action is automatically generated. As you can see on my screen, the action now appears in the Actions page, where all assigned actions are listed. The action I just created is displayed here. On the Actions page, you can view all details related to an action. From here, you can return to the original form and view the audit trail, showing who saved or edited the form. All audit activities, including photos and actions, are displayed here. You can update the action status, set due dates, add watchers, change the assignee, and close the action.